Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can only concatenate list, not int, to list. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a list with an integer using the plus operator. Here's an example. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In the above code, we're trying to concatenate a list 1, 2, 3 with an integer 4. Since we can only concatenate lists with lists, Python raises a type error with the message can only concatenate list, not int, to list. To fix this error, you need to convert the integer to a list before concatenating. Here's the corrected code. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In the corrected code, we convert the integer 4 to a list 4 before concatenating it with list 1. This results in the desired output 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.